New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 2015 Land Rover Range Rover Sport SVR. This example is finished in Estoril Blue Exterior Paint with the Santorini Black Contrast Roof. Those two colors are additional options above and beyond what is normally available. This exterior color combination is combined over a Cirrus and ebony colored leather interior, so a two-tone finish. We'll see that later on in the video. This, of course, being the SVR variant of the Range Rover Sport. This is blessed with the 550 horsepower higher output V8 that is supercharged and mated to a ZF 8-speed automatic transmission. 21-inch SVR wheels there enclosing the matching blue brake calipers. Present on this example is adaptive cruise control as well as a carbon fiber engine cover. Those are, if you will, exterior options. But if we make our way to the interior, we notice a few more, much more noticeable options, starting with, of course, the carbon fiber veneers on the door panels, as well as on the center console and dashboard. The panoramic sliding roof, that's another option equipped, and this also has the Meridian signature surround sound system, equipped with 23 speakers and 1,700 watts of power, so plenty of auditory enjoyment here for the interior. Also present is the Ebony Morzine Headlining, as well as even a carbon fiber veneer for the rear climate control stack. So great example here. 90,000 miles are on the odometer, and as always, we will get a startup clip and a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.